everyone, and welcome to today's Friday Assembly. We're all glad and feel privileged to be associated with Premier Academy. Our school is a perfect example of how different people can learn together, live together, and work together.
Premier school community respects each other, supports each other, and helps each other to succeed. As the school vision states, at Premier, we get empowered to become individuals that make a difference in the world. But have you ever taken your time to know what exactly Premier means to you? Well, today, the Year 6 students will take you through a short journey around the name Premier. But before we embark on this exciting journey, let us all stand at attention for the national anthem.
Let's bow hearts for a word of prayer. How wonderful it is to know that God is always near, that even just a whisper thought, He will most surely hear. May our hearts be pure and clean without malice, prejudice, or hatred. Help us lead a life of simplicity and give us joy in acquiring knowledge. May we all live in peace and harmony with the dignity and continual well-being of our school and nation. Make us aware of our responsibilities, as students of our school, as children of our parents, and as citizens of our country. Amen.
Welcome on board as we take a tour around our school. Remember to take some notes at the various stopovers as you make memories about Premier. As the saying goes, the best thing about memories is making them. Come along. Come.
As you get your pens and notebooks, I decided to stop along to Professor Wangai Matharu, on which Premier Academy is situated, and ask randomly what people think about Premier. Ask them to use one word to describe our school. This is what they said.
Wow! Good things being said about our school. But that was not just one word. Joking. We now embark on our journey. Got your notebooks? Awesome. Manur will take the driver's seat as we explore the acronym Premier.
Nothing here. Oh, hello there. Here is our first stopover. We focus on letter P.
This is the first letter of our school name, P for passion. At Premier, everyone is passionate about what they do. Teachers, students, and all the staff members are passionate about their responsibilities. We, the students, are all passionate about our studies and other curricular activities that take place in our school. Our passions can be found in sports, art, music, and the list goes on.
So my passion is soccer. So soccer is not only about physical exercises, it's also about mental exercises because it's also about strategizing and teamwork. So I'm gonna hit the crossbar. And yeah, that's my passion.
And with the patience from our teachers, perseverance from the students, we become phenomenal in our studies. Yippee!
This is our second station. Letter R.
R is for righteousness. Yes! Premier reminds us and teachers to be morally upright individuals. When we are righteous, we become the person God intends for us to be.
Hello? Hey Melissa, what's up? You haven't called me the whole day.
Duh, I'm revising. I hope you remember that the rats are this week.
Why do you need to revise? It is online. I have all my books and notes next to me.
What do you mean, Serena? You're surely not thinking of cheating?
Oh, come on, Melissa. Neither Mrs. Rose nor Mrs. Mitra can come and check on me in my home.
You can't cheat just because no one's watching.
Oh, stop being so righteous.
Righteous. Yes, that's the word. We need to be morally correct at all times, irrespective of whether anyone is watching over us or not. Remember, God is watching us always.
What did you just say?
I said, God is watching all our actions. I think I have given you enough food for thought. Hey, it's getting late. I better get back to my revision. But don't forget what I said.
Hell. God is watching. God is watching. And to all those of you who have been thinking like me, you heard what she said? We need to do what is right at all times because we cannot escape the eyes of God. That's being a premier student.
It's rewarding to be righteous. No wonder premier students are always radiating with joy.
We make a brief stopover at the next stop, letter E.
Did you say that Premier empowers us to become individuals that make a difference in the world? Yes, that is our third station. When we are empowered, we become eloquent and express ourselves without fear. Let us all feel empowered before we move on.
We enjoy our time at Premier. Empathy is a key virtue taught at Premier, and this makes us excellent in every sphere.
Our fourth stopover is letter M.
M is for management. With the management skills taught by our teachers, with time we become meticulous in our work. We are able to manage our time, our space, and even our environment. At the end of each academic year, we receive rewards because we become meritorious.
How well do you know about time management and how do you spend your time? Today I'll be talking about time management, Time management refers to how long you spend on specific activities. For example, after MDT, we are given a lot of time to complete our homework, revise for assessments, and complete our projects. And also, I have a question for you guys. How much time do you use in screen? Remember to learn how to manage your own time. Thank you.
Let us take some time at the fifth stopover. You guessed it right. Letter I.
Integrity it is. At Premier, there are no two ways about it. You either have integrity or you don't.
Having academic integrity is important because it can offer you peace of mind knowing that you believe in doing the right thing and always try to act consistently with those beliefs. Acting with integrity can reduce a lot of unnecessary stress in your life, making you happier, healthier, and more productive.
We come back at the third station. Letter E.
And now we want to remind you how enthusiastic we are here at Premier. Our teachers motivate us to become better and aim higher. As a result, we become more engaged and active participants in our own learning.
Finally, our last stopover, we focus on letter R.
R for responsible. We have been at Premier Prep School for almost 6 years now, and our parents and guardians say that we've become more responsible and reliable. We have achieved this because of our resilience.
Responsibility is something you're expected to do. At school, it is your responsibility to look after your stationery and books. At home, it is your responsibility to do your bed and your homework on time. A famous quote by Abraham Lincoln. You cannot escape the responsibility of tomorrow by evading it today.
That was quite a trip. Very enjoyable and invigorating too. As an academy, we continue to be A. Accountable for all our actions in and out of school. C. Confident with our work. A. Amiable. D. Diligent and disciplined. E. Enthusiastic. M. Morally upright. And finally, Y. Here to make a difference in the world.
I hope you have enjoyed the ride as much as we have. It was a pleasure having you around, and no doubt you have seen how proud we are of our school.
Talking of pride, we are all very proud of our head teacher, Mr. Cliff. Let us now invite him so we can drink from his well of wisdom. Let's go into the Chronicles of Odiju.
Good morning, boys and girls. Allow me to remove my mask. Yes, good morning, boys and girls, and welcome to our weekly assembly. It's been a long time since I talked to you. Do you remember when you're doing the countdown? Yes, you're doing the countdown, and I think now you've reached number 6 and number 5. And you know what's going to be? I want to talk about number 5 today. Once upon a time, India had a prime minister called Indira Gandhi. And she had a very interesting quote. You know the quote was, "You cannot shake hands with clenched fists." That's what the quote was. And for a long time, very nice quote. But then came one reggae musician called Bob Marley, Rastaman, who kind of invented the gutter or the fist thump. So here you have one leader saying you cannot shake hands with clenched fists, and another one saying choma or gutter. Why this? Things change. They don't remain always the same. What we know as violence, fist fights, and everything can actually be agreed to. And that's the basis of my talk today, is about change, things change. Behind me, on the background, is a kindergarten school, and there's something going on over there. You know what it is? A swimming pool is being built. What used to be a playground is turning into a swimming pool, which will be used for the kindergarten and year 1, 2, and 3. So they don't have to go to the club, they'll be having the swimming pool area over here. And as we move along, there are other changes also going on at Premier Academy. Right? We have the assembly area. There's going to be a canopy. We have the year 1 and 2 sandpit area. It's been expanded, it's huge. It can now accommodate almost 200 kids. We have just before the hockey field, we have the year 3. We're also going to have a sandpit area. And it's going to be changes. Why are we doing all this? Because we want the children to have fun. We want you to enjoy. So, when we come back, we tell you, welcome to Premier Academy again. Physical meeting and enjoy. Bye. Have a nice weekend.
Thank you, Mr. Clifford. And now, I would like to take this opportunity to wish the birthday babies a happy birthday. And cheers to many more.
Hello, all birthday babies. Hope you have a joy-filled birthday.
That's all for today. Evidently, Premier Academy has a positive school culture that promotes happiness, love, and acceptance throughout the learning process. Najivunia shule yangu.
Very proud of my school. Najivunia shule yangu.
Najivunia shule yangu. I am proud of my school.
I'm proud of my school. Najivunia shule yangu.
Twajivunia shule yetu. We are proud of our school.
Premier, oh yeah!